Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Basalo here with TRW, and I am going to show you how to log in to the new TRW website. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to log in my account. Once you click on that, you're going to see returning customers, new customers. Of course, you're probably a returning customer and you're having issues. So if you are, what you're going to do is you have your email here, you have your password here. Most of you are going to try and click log into my account. Okay, no need to do that. You're going to get the login error. Click here to continue. Skip that part and just have your email here, and you're going to hit reset password. And then what that's going to do is reset password. A link to reset your password was sent. Click here to continue back to your page. Now head over to your email, go ahead and reset your password, and then visit me back here. So this is what you're going to see in your email. I'm going to go ahead and click on the link to reset the password, and let's go ahead and enter our new password now. Now that we've entered it and confirmed it, save new password, and now we are into our account, and that will be your password from now on. Thanks for watching. Check out the other tutorial videos on the new website. Hopefully you're enjoying it. We'll see you guys soon. Later.